Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is from my version of a Philly cheesesteak. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to take a griddle pan, we're going to put it onto a high heat, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. Just take a pastry brush and brush that about. If you don't have a griddle pan like this, just use a skillet, it will work just the same. To that then we're going to add 100 grams of sliced mushrooms, 1 sliced onion, and 1 sliced pepper. I've just used the yellow pepper here, but you can use whichever colour you have. We'll give that a stir around. We'll just get it all covered with oil and we'll let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes just until the mushrooms start to soften and the onions take some bit of colour. So now that they're cooked, we'll just push them to the side. Again, if you don't have a griddle pan like mine, just remove them from the heat and set them to the side. Now to this pan we're going to add some thinly sliced steak. Now I've just used sirloin steak. If you pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes before you slice it, you can slice it really thin. Now we'll just get it all around the griddle pan and then we'll just let it cook through. So once one side's browned, we'll just flip it over and we'll let the other side brown. So now that our steak's cooked to our liking, we're going to take our pepper, mushroom and onion mix and we're just going to mix them all together. Again, if you've set them to the side, just put them in. Now we'll just take the mixture and we'll divide it into 2. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means that I can make further videos for you. Now to the top of our mixture, we're just going to add a couple of slices of Swiss cheese. We'll just let that cook for a couple of minutes until it melts. Then on top of that there, we're going to add a long roll. I've just used a mini baguette with some seeds in it. And now our Philly cheesesteak is ready to serve. I've just served mine along with a salad, but you can serve yours with fries or sweet potato fries. So we'll just fold it over, pop it on the plate. Again folks, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my further videos.